today we're gonna camp here in Gerês, and maybe in the evening we'll go for a hike. Look how beautiful this place is. So this is a camping site where you can pay, I think around 9 euros per person per night. And if you bring your car, you have to pay for the car parking as well, 4.5 euros per night. There are many people here. There are many camping sites where you can set up your tent. Over there, Gaurav and Raj are setting up a hammock. Hammock. Nice. We have kept our food here. The water is quite cold, so it will keep it cool. This is how the interior of our tent looks like. We have kept the air mattress here. Gaurav is sleeping right now. We got up around 3 in the morning. Since it's a holiday today, we knew that many people would come. We wanted to get a good spot, and we got it. We reached here around 8 in the morning, 8:30. It's around 4 hours drive from Lisbon. We will take a nap for some time and we'll go for a hike after that. In this camping site, we have this toilet and bathroom, which is really convenient. And there's a small stream running down here. So there are people camping there, so our camp is just below this. Such a good place. There are more people camping over there. There as well, in their caravan. Are you liking the place?
Loving it.
More camping sites. Another one here. So now we are going for a hike. We'll go there by car first. It's a 30 minutes drive. And from there, we will be hiking around 4 kilometers and then swim in the river there. Here there is a bar as well. Are you going in there? Are you a baby? You're a man child. Yeah, you're my sugar baby.
Sugar, how you get so fly?
Right, it will be cold because it's not sunny anymore.
to
Okay, so now we are at Sete Lagoas, which is basically meaning in English 7 Lagoon. We're going there, but it will be 4 kilometers hike. We'll swim there and then come back. Yeah, it's 4.5 kilometers from here.
doesn't she look like horse?
Where are you going?
Need to find a lagoon.
How many kilometers more, Bubu? 2 more? How's the Josh? It's not as scary as the mud track hike. What is? I am not even scared. Ooh. It's 37 degrees Celsius. Ooh. The sun is making it more tiring. The trail is not that difficult, it's just straight, a little bit bumpy here and there, but it's damn hot. And it's predicted to reach 40 degrees Celsius. Let's go there and dip in the water. Maybe we'll feel better. Here too there are these signs, which means that you're on the right track. If you're on the wrong track, it will show a cross sign in the same color. Alright, let's continue. So there are 7 lagoons like that here. Fast go.
He looks like fish.
Say hi. Say hi. Uy, uy.
Hi.
Alang chita. She's scared to swim.
Yes.
Oh, another cute dog there. Raj.
You're also scared, Raj?
He's also scared. I'm also scared.
I know.
Gaurav is the champion. Throw.
So cute.
Me.
Look at your feet. I'm taking. Are you tired now? The water is so clear.
You made me tired here. It's from that time. Not recording.
Careful. Ooh. Not a place to do parkour. Stupid. Fortune Point. Careful. Ooh. Maybe enough. Good morning. Today we're going to another lagoon, Poço Verde. It's a 2 kilometers hike. We drove all the way here from our camping site. It took 30 minutes to drive here. And now we'll be hiking for another 2.5 kilometers. Look at the tall trees. Beautiful.